Hello, tutor and partner. This is my step 5 final exam. I am Lady Yamile Perez Corredor. And for this activity, I selected case 4, 2017 promotion of a private country school in a very exclusive northern in Cali. The school has bilingual status. The school day is 8 hours. The class is 24 students. The characteristics are grade 11, age between 15 and 16 years old, class time 8 hours for day, language skills, vocabulary, grammar, listening, reading and writing. Level B1 or B2. And for this case, I choose the communicated approach. The communicated approach was developed particularly by British Council Applied Linguistics Christopher Canlin and Henry Whitwosson in the 1980s. The communicated approach is based on the idea that learning language successfully comes through having to communicate real meaning. When learners are involved in real communication, their natural strategy for language acquisition will be used, and this will allow them to learn to use the language. These advantages in the classroom for this approach are classroom activities guided by the communicated approach are characterized by trying to produce meaningful and real communication at all levels. As a result, there may be more emphasis on skill than system lessons are more learner-centered, and there may be use of authentic materials. And the most obvious advantage in communicating language teaching is that of the increase of fluency in the target language. This enables the learners to be more confident when interacting with other people, and they also enjoy talking more. The approach also leads to gains in the areas of grammatical, sociolinguistic, discourse strategy, competence through communication. And the characteristics for this approach is the most representative features of this approach are develop of the foreign language through interaction, use of real text in learning situations, importance of student personal experience, since they are a classroom learning, relation of the language learner with activities outside the classroom in social context real. The proposal evaluation is taking into account the population to which this proposal is addressed, which is a bilingual population. The constructivist method is the most pertinent as far as interaction is possible, which encourage the use of the communicated approach in the classroom and of this way allow students to experience real situations framed in the educational context regarding the practice of a second language, in this case English, so that in the classroom student, with the help of the teacher, develop the skills of speaking, writing, listening, and reading. Therefore, this proposal focuses on the constructivist method and the communicated approach in order to develop and implement the evaluation proposal according to case 4 that was selected using technology and the different platforms to promote learning while and out of the classroom. And for evaluation through technology, taking into account the population to which the evaluation is direct, the teacher will design a test on the Edmodo platform in which through their phone each student will enter to develop it, and through it the teacher will be able visualize the results individually to detect the possible difficulties that a student present in the different skill evaluated. This is the platform Edmodo, and for the assessment of student, each student will choose a zone of their liking and preference in English to perform as analysis of it, taking into account the parameters set for said analysis. After, each student must take into account the instruments used in the zone, the message that is transmitted, who is addressed, and the zone genre should finally seen a part of the zone. And finally, the student should send a cover sheet to the teacher email with the link of the video. And this is the reference. Thank you for your attention. Bye.